Hi guys, so today we are going to do a makeup tutorial. So let me tell you beforehand, I am not a makeup expert. I have been learning how to do makeup via YouTube tutorial. So I thought this might be helpful in some way or the other because I always choose a shortcut to makeup, and also my nose is blocked. So please excuse my blocked nose and the voice. So without any further ado, let's get into this makeup tutorial. For this look, I have decided to go for a very subtle day look where you can just apply it and go out to meet your friends for a coffee date or just to work maybe. So I'm not gonna add much shimmer, and yeah, I'm gonna keep it very simple and easy. I have already moisturized my face with this Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. This is the new product that I've started using this year, and I'm loving it because it's not very sticky, and I like something that is light and still works like it's supposed to work. So starting with, I'm going to cover my hair with the band so that it doesn't fall on my face. Yeah, so let's get started. So first come first, I have this makeup bag with me that I haven't unpacked off because there are too many weddings in January, Feb. So I've just kept it like that, and I'm going to use the products from this bag only. So first I'm going to use the foundation. I am a shade 320 natural tan and I'm using the Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, and I've been loving it so far, and I've introduced my mom also to this and she also loves this. So I'm going to begin using this right now. So I'm going to start and apply this foundation on my face. So I don't have a mirror right now in front of me, so I'm just looking at my selfie camera and doing my makeup. Yes. So I've got this sponge from Miniso. It comes in a pack of 20 if I'm not wrong, and I've been using it. It's like a perfect travel essential that you should have. You can use it and throw it, or I have been using it like twice and then throwing it away and using a fresh one. So yeah, looks like the foundation is done. And I don't usually apply concealer because I don't think it's necessary for me, but still I'm gonna apply it now. Yeah, so this one is from Avon. It's in the shade Natural Light Medium. It comes like this. So this is the concealer. I'm going to apply it under my eye. And I'm going to use the same sponge. So now that the concealer is done, I'm just gonna apply loose powder on below my eyes so that the crease don't appear, and we're gonna start with the eye makeup. So I've not started. I rarely use concealer. So when I do, I apply this setting powder in the shade Ivory. I've forgotten the brand name, but I'll just check. I got this from a store in Nakulam. Yeah, and I bought this for myself. So I'm just gonna apply it like this and leave it here, and then just remove it after I'm done with my eye shade. So I don't use an eyebrow pencil because my eyebrows are already dark. So I'm going to just lighten the shade here because the tan. So I'm going to use this Maybelline's 24 nude shade, and in that I'm going to use this one below my eyebrow for now. Since that is done, I am now going to use the Maybelline Lemonade Craze and do my eye look. I'm going to really keep it subtle, and I'm going to use my finger here because I'm very used to that, and I think it helps with darkening the shade around my eye. So first come first, I'm going to use the berry ice and just look at how dark the shade looks on my eye. So I'm going to darker my crease section with a darker brown shade so that the color pops out. And I'm going to use the Sweet Tea shade here in the Maybelline Lemonade Craze one. So I'm using this brush. So I always use 2 shades on my eyes to mix up colors, and that's what I've done here as well. I've added a coral punch and then I've mixed it with the yellow on the top because I'm wearing a yellow kurta. So it gives like a very minimal yellow shade on the pink. I'm sure you can't see it there. So yeah, this is done. Now I'm gonna apply kajal. I'm gonna apply kohl on my eye. So kajal is something I can't live without, and believe me or not, I still don't know how to apply an eyeliner. I find it very difficult because I have a very unstable hand. Yeah. So next I'm going to go for the blush sticks on my cheek, and you can apply it either here or here. I do it there, and then I'm going to use this because it already has my foundation shade on it. So I'm just gonna like make a just gonna use just 2 dots of these highlighter. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I've been loving this one, and I can swear by this highlighter. I haven't found a highlighter so easy. This one is a liquid highlighter, and obviously Wet n Wild is cruelty free. So It's a very light shade, so I'm just gonna add 3 dots here, 3 dots here, and do the same procedure. You can basically feel the shine when you see the person, when you see me in person or under light. I've just applied a little bit of the shimmer on my nose as well. Next is the mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Mascara, and mascara. I can live without a highlighter, but I cannot live without mascara. Lips. I'm gonna keep it simple, so I'm gonna use a nude shade. This one is from the Maybelline Lip Gradation shade Mauve in Mauve 1 basically. Ta-da! This is done. As simple as that. Yes. So I've just added my big huge jhumkas, which is a statement earring for me. And yes, this was the simple look that I made. I hope you liked this. And if you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment down below if there's anything specific you would want to see. And soon I'll do my another easy to go party look, which is a smoky eye makeup look that I'll do soon on my channel. So wait for that. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.